What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Start Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So it was a really good month of October, and the dividend income was very solid. I'm going to go over that. I'm going to still go over a few things that I need to work on with my dividend portfolio, but it was a fantastic month. I'll go over each thing I earned. I'm going to go over a few things that still need to work on with certain stocks or ETFs. But really, I can't complain. It actually could pay my rent for the month. So I'm at the point where I'm here with my dividend portfolio. And could it be to the point where I earn maybe at the start of or the end of next year $3,000 a month for my M1 Finance dividend portfolio? I believe that that's a strong possibility now with some strategies that I have in mind. And my gosh, if I can use that passive income, making $3,000, reinvesting the dividends, and then building this dividend portfolio into a powerhouse and a juggernaut, I absolutely will do that. And I'm half awake. It's like 5 in the morning, and I'm like, I gotta get this video for you guys. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out my dividend income right now. The first dividends I earned on October 1st was with Nike, $2.79. I need to get up there. Coca-Cola, $3.91. Again, I need to probably start making about $10, okay, with these ones for sure. So long-term wise, 10, 20, 30 quarterly, that'll be strong. Regions Financial Corporation, $21.97. Oak Tree Specialty Lending Corporation, $26.16. ADP Automatic Data Processing, $2.79. FSK KKR, $31.72 plus $2.97. Kimberly Clark, $5.64. VG Properties, $30.14. Iron Mountain, $3.48. QDTE, $22.20. xdte, $12.55. That's October 4th. YMAX, 22 cents. And then again, we discussed the QDTE, the dividend deduction. I showed you what they can do in the past. So check out my previous videos. Why dividend deductions can happen. rdte, $13.64. YMAG on October 4th, 16 cents. BITO, $10.91 plus 22 cents. Philip Morris, $9.49. Then we're going to go to Altria, $15.90. Now, again, I'm a nurse practitioner, but smoking is a choice. I will tell you, get away from it. It's terrible for you. But it's a choice. So, people are like, why don't you invest in certain stocks, war stocks, There's a difference between people using and investing a war machine for war and killing people and, stuff like that versus a choice that people have to smoke. If they want to smoke, that's their choice. It's a sin stock. I am against smoking. I am anti-smoking, but the income's there, and with Altria and Philip Morris, so I'm going to continue to own Altria and Philip Morris. Getty Realty Corporation, $12.31. October 11th, QDTE, $17.99. RDTE, $8.82. Medtronic, $5.06. I did sell Medtronic. I may be rebuying them in the future, so I'm just letting you know on that. xdte, $11.09. YMAX, 22 cents on October 11th. NVDY, $4.0928. YMAG, 27 cents. Essential Properties Realty Trust, $15.45. I'm getting up there. Franklin Resources, $12.19. REFI, the Chicago Atlantic Real Estate Finance, $21.73. Crescent Capital, $10.50. Broadstone Net Lease, $13.94. I got CubeSmart, $21.16. Fifth Third Bank Corp, $22.58. Blue Owl Capital Corp, $21.66. Mandela's International, $5.05. Alexandria Real Estate Equities, $5.98. Rexford Industrial Realty 692. Then we're getting better and better. IIPR Innovative Industrial Properties 4227, US Bank Corp 2398, Trinity Capital 4156, Agree Realty Corporation 241, and I just posted a video on Agree Realty Corporation. I will be buying them for the month of November. YMAG 1572, Bank OZK 1719. So again, my previous video with Agree Realty Corporation, check them out. So I love that. REIT. And my goal is to get to 200 plus shares. And I just want to verify with you guys, my goal is not to just get to 200 shares. I want to get to 200 shares and reinvest my dividends. So, I want the dividend snowball effect to kick in, but it's a goal to have 200 plus shares of Realty Income and Agree Realty Corporation. YMAG 1572, Bank OZK 1719, Invitation Homes 707, RDTE 1083. This is October 18th. QDTE 2123. 1191. YMAX 1813. McCormick 591. Comcast 452. American Financial Group 338. XDTE 1312. FEPI 2967. American Tower 1506. QDTE 1389. AIPI 8362. Blackstone Secured Lending Fund 50 cents. Then I got, and then you'll see 1848 right here. YMAX 2353, YMAG 379 on October 25th. SQY 2173, MSTY 6676, RDTE 1184, and again, the Blackstone Secured Lending Fund 1848, Bank of Nova Scotia 850, minus 128. Again, the dividend adjustment, it's a Canadian stock, so you're going to get a dividend deduction. Toronto Dominion Bank 661 minus 99 cents. You're going to get a deduction because it's a Canadian stock. The YBTC Roundhill Bitcoin Covered Call Strategy ETF 863. TC Energy Corp 172 minus 26 cents. RDTE, and I'm not including this, but I made 909 RDTE. YMAX, I made 2332. YMAG, 1062. XDTE, I made 850. Rhythm Capital Corp, 1089. QDTE, 1367. And Darden Restaurants, 492. So I'm just going to talk about the month of October. So I'm not including November 1st in this. I know it's a day behind with M1 Finance, okay? But I'm not including November 1st with this total passive income. So we're going to jump to how much I earned on M1 Finance. So for the month of October 2024, I made $1,382.42. That's pretty impressive, okay? It's not there, okay? It's not where I want to be. I want to get higher than that. I want to get to 3,000. One of my goals is to get to 3,000 monthly passive income, reinvest that. So imagine $30,000 in passive income reinvested so you can build a dividend portfolio. So that's what I plan on doing. The big thing is with these monthly, the options income ETFs, I can use that passive income to focus on the dividend growth stock. So it's starting to get to the point where my passive income with the covered call ETFs is turbocharging my dividend portfolio. So that's what I'm excited about. That's what I really want to do, is build it to where I earn monthly passive income and weekly passive income and put it straight into the dividend growth stocks. I don't want to rely on, FEPI, AIPI, all these covered call ETFs for retirement income. I want to rely on my dividend growth stocks as retirement income. Sure, it's great to get like $400 a month. That could pay for a car payment, with NVDY. It's great, but long-term wise, I want that income to turbocharge my dividend portfolio. I want them to do the work for me. Sure, there's a high expense ratio, but that's fine. That's fine. There's a risk. They go to zero or they get hit hard, pandemic, recession, mostly recession. That's fine. I can take the hit. I'll still use that passive income to buy dividend growth stocks. I am not relying on Yieldmax or Pro Shares or retirement income. I'm just making that clear. It's great. Sure, make $1,000, $2,000 a month on it, but then sometimes you might make 800 or you might make 1,000. So the reliability isn't there completely for that income for retirement, but using it for buying dividend growth stocks, Iron Mountain, REITs, American Tower, Starbucks, Lowe's, Home Depot, the good dividend growth stocks I have, that's the goal. And might happen in 2 years where that income's just flowing towards the dividend growth stocks and I don't have to touch this portfolio anymore. So that's because it's doing the work for me. Now, I'm not expecting to retire on dividends in my 40s. It's just not going to happen. Okay. Now, if I can do it in my 50s, that's fantastic. But, or flip it and just use that and still work, that's fantastic. I can do that. But let's worry about the here and now, the goals. Again, my goal for my monthly dividends is $1,000, $3,000 a month. My monthly dividends, $2,000 to $4,000 a month. My quarterly dividends. Can I get to 6 figures in passive income? Possibly. I have to be realistic with you guys, okay? I spent a lot of money paying off student loans this year. So, it was a big goal to do. Now, I'm going to be working soon, hopefully as a nurse practitioner. That's actually a pay cut compared to my travel nursing. So I have to make very smart decisions, very smart economic decisions for that. So we're going to jump to ETrade. Now we're jumping to my ETrade dividend portfolio. My estimated income is $7,384.08. Is that guaranteed? No. Okay, that's not guaranteed. So there's announced passive income, which is good. And I'm going to go over my October income, but I do need to work on my ETrade dividend portfolio. As I said before, Realty Income and Agree Realty Corporation, I want to get to 200 shares. And Main Street Capital, that's going to be one of my goals, 200 shares on those three. Okay? Now, how am I going to get there? We'll go over that. Okay? A lot of you guys are new to this YouTube channel and you're watching this. I'm actually going to post this on X as well. So we're going to go over that. But for the month of October, it's not too bad. Okay? So Gladstone Investment Corp 1840, APR Properties 3977, Realty Income 4345, Main Street Capital 3290, Horizon Technology Finance 1640. Looks like I got a special dividend with Gladstone Investment Corp 161.91. I got 46.78 with IVR. Again, I sold IVR, and I still have leftover money from that. So I'm probably going to sell that and throw it into Realty Income. So total wise, I made $1,742.03. But we need to go over a few things with this ETrade dividend portfolio. So going to my ETrade dividend portfolio, I have a total of $46,782.24. Arbor Realty Trust has been incredible with my dividend portfolio. It's starting to get to the point where I'm going to use the dividends for Arbor Realty Trust to go into Realty Income. Okay, quarterly Arbor Realty Trust passive income into Realty Income once I get to 200. I'm going to buy some shares, probably maybe I'm thinking about 1,000 or so. I just really need to see what I'm doing with moving and stuff because, moving fees aren't fun. I'm going to use that. I'm going to at least get to 10 shares of Agree Realty Corporation by the end of the month. Okay. Now with NVDY, I have 8,189.10. I did sell KeyBank. So that's one thing that I had to do because I needed to kind of build up my dividend portfolio a little bit stronger. Now, what I'm going to do with the NVDY passive income is build up my M1 Finance shares of NVDY. So the NVDY passive income here is going straight into NVDY on M1 Finance to build up NVDY on there and use the passive income NVDY on there to reinvest in my dividend portfolio. So think about that each month. Money's adding up, building it, okay? Gain, I'm going to use the passive income with gain to throw into Realty Income. Horizon Technology Finance, they took a little bit of a hit. They've been down, okay? I'm going to use their passive income. I do think they were overvalued at that time, but I just reinvested dividends. I needed the monthly dividends, so I'm going to use that income of Horizon Technology Finance to go into Realty Income. EPR Properties has been down. I bought them when a huge dip happened. Okay, hopefully they'll get back to where they were before the pandemic. Don't quote me on that, but I'm going to use its passive income to go at Realty Income right now to get to 200 shares. Then Main Street Capital, I'm just going to reinvest the dividends for Main. So there's going to be a few targets, okay? O, then ADC. I want to get to 200 shares of ADC, and then Main, okay? So that's the goal. So that's kind of what I plan on doing with my ETrade dividend portfolio. I actually have to discuss with the people at ETrade that I do not want to reinvest my dividends except Realty Income and Main Street Capital. So I need to let them know ahead of time. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. If you're watching this video on X, make sure you follow me for free content. Of course, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in my YouTube description for my YouTube videos. I'm going to jump to my disclaimer right now. Take care and have a good one, and go Bucks, beat Penn State. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel or this video on X for any form of financial advice or tax advice. It is best to seek financial advice from a tax advisor or a financial advisor. Don't even think about using my YouTube channel for a reference for financial advice or tax advice. I want you to go see a financial advisor or tax advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is my passive income journey. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. Look, I'm down 9.86% with O, and Horizon with my income portfolio 26.98%. So investing is a big risk. I'm going to say this 1,000 times. You can lose money, you can gain money, but you have to do your due diligence. So be aware that you can lose money when you invest. You guys take care and have a great Saturday.